Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this sugar, honey, lemon and turmeric body scrub. Keep watching. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. So guys, let's get started. So guys, here is my bowl. So in this bowl I'm going to be adding my sugar. So on this video I'll be using white sugar. So after that I'll go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. So after adding the 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, so I will mix it very well with the sugar. So when doing this, make sure the 2 ingredients is well mixed together. So guys, it's time to add the honey. So I'm going to be adding the honey to the ingredients. Then I will add the lemon juice as well. Then after that, I'll go ahead and mix everything together. So guys, on this video, if you want your scrub to be a bit thicker, use more sugar and a lesser honey and a lesser lemon juice. Okay, so because I want this sugar scrub or turmeric scrub to be fluffy, so that's why I added a little amount of sugar and I had more honey and lemon juice. Guys, this recipe is bomb. Okay, if you use this scrub, your skin is going to be very smooth and it's brighten your skin. Sugar is good for the skin as well as honey and as well as turmeric. Okay, so if you want much quantity or you want to make much bad, so you can double the ingredients I used. Yeah, because this ingredients is good, is a natural ingredient, so it doesn't have any effect on your body, rather it makes your skin looks very smoother. Okay, so I'm going to pour it in my clean container and keep it in a cool dry place, or I'll keep it inside my fridge. So you can see that how lovely it looks. Thank you all for watching. If you watch this video up to this extent, God bless you. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and above all, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. I will see you again on my next video. God bless you all. Bye bye.